diving into the world of cloud computing, and we will be setting up a Google Cloud Skills Boost account and making the profile public. So if you are keen to learn more about Google Cloud Arcade program and want to deep dive more into the cloud computing using GCP and want to showcase your cloud skills, so stick around. Now let's create a Cloud Skills Boost account. So let's create a Cloud Skills Boost account. So go to the Google Cloud Skills Boost website. Here you need to sign in with a newly formed account. So click on sign in, then sign in with Google. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your Google Cloud Skills Boost profile. Here you can navigate through various options like paths, explore, and finally your profile. Now as you can see, here my profile is public. This is a make profile private. If you want to make it, just click here and it will be done as private. But mostly it's always preferred to have your profile as public. So here you need to just click on it, make profile public. And there you have it. You have successfully created a GCP account and a public Cloud Skills Boost profile. This is a great starting point for your cloud journey. Remember to explore the various courses and labs available on Cloud Skills Boost to enhance your GCP knowledge. I encourage you to share your Google Skills Boost profile link or social media, your badges, and learning experiences. And this would help not only the professionals but you all to get a hands on experience in this program.